All right, so instead of having to go to an exhibition, wouldn't you just love to walk into a store filled with amazing art by our local creatives? Well, that's what you can do at Art Connect. So here to paint us a picture of what to expect in store, Heather Sutherland Wade, who's over there, and Rachel Moss, who's right beside me. We're kind of related, I think. Don't. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Happy holidays. Hope you had a great Christmas, and I wish you all the very,
Awesome.
very best. We were having a fantastic discussion over there, and you were telling me where this started. This is as mom I'm talking about. And I'll ask you just one of those questions. When did you think that you had this amazing talent, that someone might actually want to buy something that you paint? When did that happen?
Well, that happened after art school. And I came back and, because I really didn't study art. I studied advertising. I came back and somebody encouraged me to have an exhibition at Bolivar Gallery, I remember. And I did 26 paintings, put it up, and people started, they bought all of them. And I thought, oh, maybe I cannot paint, maybe I can paint.
After you said 26, you said...
Yeah, I said, maybe I can paint. They want to keep, they want my art.
So was there always a fascination with painting and drawing and stuff?
No, I wouldn't say it was a fascination because my dad, early o'clock at the age of 10, discouraged me from being an artist.
Discouraged you?
Discouraged. And he removed all possibilities of my being an artist.
So Rachel, did you see mommy doing stuff and say, no, I like that, I want to do something like that, or no, this was just something totally different with you?
No, definitely I saw it and I liked it.
Yeah.
And I think from an early age I wanted to do art. And so I studied animation. And then I said, I like the art side of it a little bit more. So I started doing illustration for like children's books and painting on the side. And yeah, that's what I do today.
And other family members are doing stuff like this too. Wow. But you don't do the same thing.
No.
Is it the same kind of...
It is.
Well, one said yes and one said no.
No, I wouldn't say the same. I think each member of my family is talented differently.
Okay.
They bring to the table something different.
Yeah.
What Rachel does amazes me. I could never do it.
Yeah.
And the others, just the same. I have a daughter who's a colorist, Anna Kay. She's just amazing with color.
I suspect she might say the same thing about you. Is this a hobby or is this what you guys do?
This is what we do.
This is what
This
you
is
do.
what we do.
So Art Connect would sell your stuff, but this is Art House.
Yes.
All right, take me through. Let's start over there, Mrs. Sutherland. Let's start on the far side. So that's your stuff over there.
That's my stuff.
All right.
I'm a landscapist.
You're a landscape.
Yes, I just love nature.
Well, we'll soon show you one that might argue with that landscaping move. So that's you right there.
Yes.
How long would something like that take you?
Oh, I don't know why everybody asks me how long. I don't know. I don't think in terms of time. Some paintings can take me a couple hours and others can take me 3 weeks and I paint it out in the oven.
This is something that you actually saw or that just came from your head?
Yes, that's a scene I got from going towards Round Hill Hotel.
Okay, great.
That's from my God.
If you come across a little closer to us now, it debunks the idea of you and your landscaping, because this is certainly not a landscape right there. And this is fantastic, by the way. This came from a picture, I suspect.
Not really. It was a combination of, just studying horses and just wanting to capture the energy that I saw in their, movement.
When you say studying horses, you had to study them to draw?
Yeah, I kind of had several pictures. I'd take pictures and just put a composition together that I liked.
The one below that, guys? We'll take the one below that and you explain that to me also.
Yeah, that's my minimalistic sea screen. CC. Minimalistic. I don't like to put in too much detail. I just like to be almost abstract.
Yeah.
I call it impressionistic.
All right,
I just give you an impression of what it's going to be.
Yeah. Come across and let's see something from Rachel now. Rachel, you are...
I do the people and the houses and the little street scenes. Yeah.
And again, these are real things or this is just imagination?
A lot of it is imagination, but I will take reference from what I see in day-to-day life or, little Jamaican houses.
Is that where the inspiration comes from?
Definitely.
Yeah?
Yes, I just love to watch like the way of life in Jamaica, like that quaint. Jamaica has a charm to it, the Caribbean itself, and I just love capturing it.
I suspect you see many more things than what you've illustrated. Yeah. So how you decide which one? And do you have a little chat with mom first and say, you know, I pass a little man, I change him car tire and I feel I want or something like that?
No, not really. You know,
No?
I just, like, I see it and I capture it in my memory, or I'll take a picture and then I'll just put pen to paper and...
You ever do
Yeah,
anything
create
that that mom just say, no, sir, that don't make no sense.
No, I don't think I've...
No? She's not
Just
your,
love it. Just
she's
like,
She's
not
my
your,
biggest fan, so
she's your
everything
biggest
I do...
fan, not your
Yeah.
biggest critic.
come, I want to take that. I want to take that.
Yes.
What about the ones in front here? Let's see this one here. Which one? There's a relative
Yes.
here. Where is
Okay,
it?
my other daughter, my second
This one right
second daughter, the portrait. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's her self-portrait.
here, right? And she's into
She does art therapy.
art
as
therapy,
living, yeah.
which
In
would
New
still
Zealand,
suggest that you
yeah.
have to be able to do this before you use it
No,
for
I
therapy.
think it's guiding others to express themselves creatively more than anything else.
Okay,
But she
Yeah.
can
But
definitely...
she lives in New Zealand, where she has that
fantastic stuff.
opportunity.
This is just absolutely amazing stuff, and
Yeah.
and all this would be your creation also.
Yes.
That's the family right there.
Yes.
Kind of small.
But it covers it. All of them
2,
are.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Not too big.
And that little girl in the middle is
Jessica.
Jessica. She
Yeah.
is a promising artist.
Okay, so it's a family thing. we're
Yeah.
talking
It's a
about here.
family thing. We can't get away from it.
Fantastic. Apart from Art Connect, is there anywhere else we could get you stuff? Or
Well, I have a home studio at home, a gallery at home, and yeah, that's about it.
and I already asked the question. It's not a hobby, so everything here is for sale.
Yes.
More or less.
I like the more or less. Because she brought the horses for me. That's the less part. It is great to meet you both.
Yes.
Thank
It is
you for having
fantastic
us.
what you do. Fantastic what you do. So Art Connect is where?
Art Connect is Shop 5, Devon House.
Yeah.
And you'll see not only just our stuff, the manager and myself are excited about profiling different artists, creating a collection of really good, fine quality.
And it's not just
arts and
paintings
crafts.
we're
It's not
talking about.
paintings, it's arts and crafts generally. From around the island.
Brilliant.
Giving out artists an
Only
opportunity
local,
to profile.
only local
Only
artisans.
local. Everything is handmade, Jamaican handmade.
Brilliant.
And you should be able to find a vast collection, It's a really
Fantastic.
nice collection. of
I said it at the
good
start,
quality
but all the
stuff.
very best for 2019. God bless you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Fine art painters, Heather Sutherland Wade and Rachel Moss. We've got some more from the Haven Hill Choir, and that comes up on the other side of the break. Stay with us, please.